Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 11, 2015. Yes, it is the 9/11 anniversary. And right now we have futures down about 6 3/4 points. They've been really all over the map, but you do see a little bit of a sell-off bar coming in here just a little while ago. So we're going to see how this market plays out today. Generally in past 9/11 anniversaries, markets usually finish flat to slightly positive. We'll see if that is the case today. Today is a Friday. In 2015, we've seen a lot of Friday sell-offs, many more Friday sell-offs in 2015 than all of 2014. So again, we'll see if people want to hold stocks into the weekend. That's going to be the big test here today. So again, markets have been very volatile. Most gains have faded late in the afternoon. So we'll see if that is the case today, and we'll see if traders want to retreat going into the weekend. Now, a lot of events taking place, but the big event is going to be the Federal Reserve announcement next Thursday. So there is a chance that markets maybe try to chop around until that period. But a lot of people are looking for some comments out of the Fed to help the markets. But we'll see if that is the case. In any regard, we have a lot of stocks out here today, and let's take a look at the first one up. Is going to be Finisar. The company reported earnings. You'll see the stock is getting hit pretty sharply. Closed at $14.91, now trading at $12.92. Did trade as low as $12.40. There's really nothing that I'm seeing here. The only level that I'm seeing that would interest me would be around $9.50. So again, I'm not sure it's going to trade that low, but if it does, that's where I'd get interested in it for a near-term scalp play. Right now, Finisar under some pressure, but there are no levels here that really excite me at the moment. All right, let's take a look at Kroger, ticker symbol KR. Kroger had earnings as well. Stock is trading at $36.50, closed at $35.40. So this is a nice little pop for Kroger. Believe it or not, I don't know if it will run today, but I'm showing resistance on the charts around $38.75, $38.80. I'm not sure if it runs up there. Either way, if you own it, trail the stop loss. We'll see if it can get up to that level. Once again, we had a stellar day in the intraday stock chat room yesterday. I think we went 7 for 7. If you want to come over and trade with us, please do so, and take out a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing there. Let's take a look at Restoration Hardware this morning. They came out with earnings as well. Stock is trading at $92.50. It closed yesterday at $91.06, so it's getting a little bit of a pop. I don't see anything great or terrible here, but we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings, and we'll see how it plays out. Right now, Restoration Hardware is trading a little higher from the close. Let's take a look at CHKE. This is Cherokee. This is the company that makes a lot of the clothing items in Target. It looks like Target ended that relationship. Stock closed yesterday at $24.11. It is now trading at $16. Now, I did work out some calculations for this name, but I just want to warn everybody. If you look at the daily chart here, the stock barely trades any volume. It averages about 40,000 shares a day or less. So you want to be very careful. Stocks like this can easily overshoot. The one level that I did work out and I would feel comfortable about would be $15, but that's only if we had real volume, meaning 1 million shares or more a day. Right now, this stock only trades about 20,000 shares to 40,000 shares a day. So again, you got to be real careful here. I did see a level at $15.03 for a potential bounce, and after that I worked out another calculation all the way down to $12.15. So be careful here if you're going to dabble with Cherokee. I think the stock is going to have some volume today, but anyway, you slice it or dice it. It's a light volume name, and that comes with a lot higher risk. So please understand that it's not a very liquid name, and when you get these kind of big reactions, they're a lot of times just overshoots from volume hitting the market in a light volume name. So we'll see how it plays out, and again, big sell-off in Cherokee on losing that contract with Target. Let's take a look at Zumiez. And you're going to see this stock closed at $21.66. It's trading at $17.36. This is a big hit as well. The levels on this stock, this is another situation where it's a light volume name. Not as light as the Cherokee name, but when I look at this name right here, It's very difficult to find good solid levels. I'd have to look all the way down to around $14.20, $14.10, right around there before I see any level that really appeals to me. You can see in the after hours it did get down to $16.50, now trading at $17.25. So we'll keep it on the radar. I'm not sure we're going to do much with it. Let's take a look at EFOI. This stock has been one of the high flyers as of late. Got hit yesterday and it's getting hit again today. Take a look at this daily chart. Stock just a couple days ago was trading at $28. But look at the volume back here in June and July. Non-existent. And all of a sudden it kicks in. Heavy volume, soars and roars. And now look at the stock come back to earth. The only level that interests me for this name would be around $12.40. Right now, you can see the stock trading down to around $17.60. So believe it or not, it can get down there as low as 12 and change. Let's take a look at Mattress Firm. Ticker symbol is MFRM. Stock right now is trading at $52.79. It closed at $60.34. I don't really have a great level on this equity. The only level that would interest me would be down around $41. So again, there's not a lot I'm going to do with Mattress Firm at this stage of the game, but be very careful with it. This is another light volume equity. Let's take a look at Marvell. And you're going to see this is getting hammered today. It's closed at $10.55. Now trading at $8.39. The only level that interests me would be around $7.70 or maybe even $7.50. So keep that on the radar today. Those are the levels I have for these equities. Right now, the gold market is trading down $3.20 to $1,106 an ounce. Crude oil is trading down $1.20 to $44.72 a barrel. So again, watch energy stocks. They could be under pressure with the weaker oil market this morning. All right, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day. If you want to come over, trade alongside of us, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing there. With that being said, have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.